Hey y'all, so I am back with another video. We are trying to finish the wall, but I just got the wall in and I don't think this is gonna go too well. So my whole idea was I wanted this to look like concrete, but y'all know me, I tell y'all all the time I change my mind. I might want it to be something different in a couple months. So I was like, you know what, I'll do peel and stick. I'll do peel and stick wallpaper. We'll do that and make it look like concrete, and then whenever I want to change it, no big deal, I can take it out and change it. So I ordered it, and just by the looks of it, to me it looks pixelated. Like, it doesn't look, I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it's really and I wish it would have been textured. And from the looks on Amazon, it looked like it was textured, but here in person, I just don't know. I don't know, but I am going to try to put it up just to see. Maybe it'll look better once it's up. This came in a panels. It's a big one. It is 9 feet by, I think it was 9 feet by 10 feet. So this will fit an entire wall. Now I do like how they send it. So they send it like this, and it shows you panel 1 through 6, so you know which ones to put up. But I just don't know about the it doesn't look concrete like I wanted it to look. I mean, kinda. I don't know, y'all. We're just gonna put it up and see how it does. Maybe it'll turn out okay. So yeah, this was my idea. If this does not work out, of course I know how to make it look like concrete. I can do the wall spackling. I can do that, but that is kind of like a more permanent situation where if I ever wanted to change it, that's gonna be a mess. So we're gonna see how this go. And hey, son.
I'm in the video.
Yes.
I tried to slide.
Anyway, we're gonna see how this go, and then if it doesn't turn out good, then I don't know. Maybe we'll just paint it. But let's go. Let's put it up and see what we get. All right, so yeah, that's not gonna work. We took everything down and we were about to put it up, and then just looking at it, I'm not even gonna be bothered with it. The picture is way too pixelated. It doesn't look very detailed. It does not look like concrete like the pictures on Amazon shows. So I will not be using that. I'll just be returning it. So right now, I guess we're gonna just paint it. We'll just paint it and see how that turns out. So y'all, this is it for now. I like the contrast. I do like the contrast between the white wall and the black bump out. The only thing that we're not sure about is the fireplace is black, the TV is black, but I'm hoping because the TV and the fireplace are glossy that it'll look okay. But this is it for right now. We're gonna finish putting it back together. I'm just so bummed about my concrete. I really wanted this wall to look like concrete, but sometimes things just don't work out, so you make the best of what you have. So right now, this is what we're gonna do, and we'll see if we can get it to look decent. You guys, it actually doesn't look bad. It does not look bad. The contrast actually looks really good up against the white shiplap. And it actually looks better in person. I'm looking at it through the viewfinder. It still looks good, but yeah, I mean, it looks modern. So yeah, that's the look that I'm going for.
Get that flame.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Tonio said turn on the fireplace to see what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, see, sometimes things don't work out. So now I just get to return that to Amazon. And, hey, I get to keep my $100 in my pocket. So, yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. So, of course, now I'm going to be decorating the side, which y'all probably already saw. I had those mirrors up there, and putting some, I got doors to put on that cabinet. And I know y'all probably can't tell on camera, but these are high gloss doors. Man, you can't tell at all. I know y'all can't tell at all, but these are high gloss, so they're just as glossy. That's the Besta cabinet from IKEA, and I just got 2 of them, so I got to put the doors on that side and then putting the mirrors up on the side. So it should all look really nice. Actually, it turned out good. Yeah, so hey, sometimes things don't work out for a reason. So thank y'all so much for watching this video, and yeah, we'll see y'all in the next one. Say bye, Tom.
Bye. Okay.